Chocolate cake.
Yes, there was this boy who loved. How do you do loved? How did we do? He loved chocolate cake. Very much. Very, 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 very much. He wanted chocolate cake for breakfast, wanted chocolate cake for lunch, and wanted chocolate cake for dinner. Now, his mama used to cook yummy food. She used to make cakes, she used to make bread, she used to make sandwiches, and she used to make even chocolates at home. And he would love eating everything. He would love to eat everything. Now, his mama would say, Ruansh, when I make chocolate cake, don't eat everything. Eat little. Eat a piece, then eat your food. But no, Ruansh wanted more and more and more and more chocolate cake. Every day he wanted chocolate cake. Now Ruansh had a sister. His sister's name was Myra. Now Myra would say, Ruansh, this is not fair. You never keep cake for me. Whenever Mama bakes a cake, you eat everything. I'm going to complain to Mama that you're very greedy. You never share your cake. Ruansh would say, I'll not give you. I like chocolate cake. I'll eat up everything. Myra would be very angry and say, that's very bad. Your tummy will pain if you keep eating chocolate cake and don't give anybody. But Ruansh would say, I'm not going to give you chocolate cake only. Now Mama would tell Ruansh that Ruansh, whatever I make, you have to share with everybody and eat. And you should eat little. If I make a sandwich, have one piece of sandwich, have a fruit, have some dudu and drink chocolate and eat your chocolate cake. Don't eat only chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake, chocolate cake. But no, Ruansh wanted chocolate cake every day, every time. Because how much did he love chocolate cake? Because he loved the chocolate cake. He loved it so much. Now, one day, what happened? In the evening, Ruansh's family was going to have some guests. So, Mama had made a nice big chocolate cake and put it inside the fridge. And Mama put the chocolate cake inside the fridge and said, Ruansh, I've put chocolate cake in the fridge. No eating it, okay? Because we are having guests at home. Auntie and uncle are coming. So at night, after we finish dinner, I'll cut some pieces and I'll give everybody. All of us can have cake, okay, together. Ruansh said, okay, Mama, okay, I will not eat the chocolate cake. And Ruansh was busy playing. Ruansh was playing with his blocks. Then he played with his ball, his bat. Then for some time, he even played with his sister Myra. But after some time, his tummy was calling him. He looked at his tummy and said, what happened? Tummy was hungry. Tummy wanted to eat something. So Ruansh said, what should we eat? What should we eat? And the tummy said, oh, cake, 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 oh, cake, cake. Ruansh said, cake? Oh, we can't eat the cake. It's kept in the fridge. It is for the guests. But then Ruansh's tummy said, oh, please, please, cake, cake, oh, cake, cake. I love cake. You love cake. We love cake, 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 cake. Now Ruansh said, okay. Let's go to the fridge quietly and let's open the fridge door and only let's look at the cake, okay? No eating, no eating. I told Mama we won't eat. And then Ruansh slowly tiptoed. Slowly he walked up to the fridge and opened the fridge. And inside was a big, nice, yummy, delicious chocolate cake. Ruansh saw it and said, wow, I love chocolate cake. Tummy, let's eat one piece, okay? Only one piece. And Tummy said, oh, yes, 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 let's eat one piece, let's eat one piece. And Ruansh took a small knife and he cut a small piece and he ate up the chocolate cake. Then the tummy said, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I want more, I want more, I want more. Ruan said, more? No, 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 no. This cake is kept for the guests. No, uncle and auntie are coming. No, no. But the tummy said, little, 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 more, little, little. Ruansh, please, little, little. Then Ruansh took another piece, then another piece, then another piece, and then another piece. And then what happened? All the cake was over. Ruansh ate up all the cake. And then he said, oh no, such a big cake. I ate it all up. Now Mama is going to scold me because there's no cake for uncle and auntie. I'm getting scared now. Mama will scold me. What do I do? So he ran and ran into his garden and he sat down. You know how he sat down? He was so scared. He sat like this. Mama will scold me. I ate up all the cake. Now what do I do? And he was getting very scared. What to do? Because Mama had told him not to eat so much cake. It's bad for your tummy. It's bad for your teeth. But Ruansh couldn't control himself. He was greedy and he ate it all up. And he was now worried. Mama will scold. Papa will scold. Myra will also call me greedy. Now what do I do? And suddenly, he felt a tap on his shoulder. Hello, boy. Ruansh looked behind. And there he saw an elf. Magical elf. And the elf said, oh, why are you so sad and why are you crying? And Ruansh said, Mama had made chocolate cake and told me not to eat everything. And I ate up all the cake. Now my mama is going to scold me. The elf said, do you really like chocolate cake very much? Yeah, I love chocolate cake very, very much. That's why I know whenever I see chocolate cake, I can't stop on it. I keep eating, I keep eating, I keep eating. So Mama said, uh-oh. That elf said, okay. I have an idea. You're scared, no, that Mama will scold you? Come, I'll take you into fairyland. And there in fairyland, there is a chocolate town. Do you want to go to chocolate town? Ruan said, chocolate town means? What is chocolate town? I don't know. And the elf said, oh, you don't know what is a chocolate town? A chocolate town has chocolate everywhere. The trees grow chocolate. The houses are made of chocolate. The little plants have chocolate. The swing and the slide are made of chocolate. There's chocolate, chocolate everywhere. Chocolate, chocolate everywhere. And Ruan said, yeah, I want to go, I want to go, I want to go. I want to keep eating chocolate and chocolate cake. Yummy, yummy. The elf said, okay, come along with me. So Ruansh held the elf's hand and he went with him. And suddenly they opened a door inside a tree and they walked inside into a magical land. It was beautiful. There were trees with chocolate. There were houses of chocolate. There were shops of chocolate. There was school of chocolate. There were cars of chocolate. Just chocolate, chocolate everywhere. Ruansh ran and he took a little chocolate from the tree and yummy, yummy. He had chocolate all over his face. Then he ran to a flower. He picked up the flower and said, chocolate flower? Yummy, what yummy chocolate flower. I love the chocolate flower. Then he ran and he met an old lady who gave him a cupcake. Hello, little boy, would you like a chocolate cupcake? Cupcake also chocolate. Give it. Thank you so much for the Thank you so much for the cupcake. I loved eating it. The elf said, so Ruansh, do you like this place? Do you want to live here? Yes, yes, yes. I love this place. Everything is chocolate. I want to live here only. So then the elf took Ruansh and he knocked on a door. Nobody opened. So the elf knocked again. And then an old man opened the door and said, hello, little elf, who is here with you today? And the elf said, oh, I have with me Ruansh. You know, he loves chocolate. So I've brought him to our chocolate town. Can he stay with you? Come, you can stay with me. Come inside the house, my little boy. Ruansh ran inside and he sat on the dining table and said, I'm hungry. The old man said, okay, I've made some chocolate cake for lunch. Do you want to eat? Chocolate cake for lunch? Yummy! Yes, I would love to eat. The old man went inside his kitchen and brought out a nice big chocolate cake with buttercream and chocolate frosting. Ruansh's mouth was watering. He took a big spoon and, like a greedy fellow, he ate up everything. He didn't even ask the old man if he wanted a piece of cake. And then after eating, he did, yummy. I love the chocolate cake. It's so nice. The old man said, okay, now go and get some rest, okay? Then you can go out to play also. Now, Ruansh had eaten so much that he went off to sleep. And when he woke up, it was time to go to play. But before he went out to play, the old man said, come here, Ruansh. I have some chocolate cake for you to eat and some chocolate dudu. Ruansh said, again chocolate cake, again chocolate dudu, yummy. And he ate up his cake and he drank the chocolate dudu and he went to play. He played with everybody over there, all the children. And then it was time for dinner. So he came back home to the old man and he knocked on the door and said, old man, I'm very hungry. I played a lot and now my tummy is asking for food. Open the door. He started banging the door. The old man opened the door and said, come. I already have cooked dinner. Sit, wash your hands and legs and come to the table, okay? I'll give you your dinner. Ruansh quickly washed his hands. He washed his feet. He washed his face, changed his clothes. The old man had given him a new set of clothes. He changed them and he came to the table and said, what's for dinner? I want to eat. I'm hungry. There's chocolate cake for dinner. Again chocolate cake? Can I get something else? The old man said, no, this is chocolate town. You will get chocolate cake only every day. You said you like chocolate cake, no? Eat. And the old man gave Ruansh 5 pieces of chocolate cake. Ruansh looked at it and said, I just ate chocolate cake in the morning. I drank chocolate dudu. Again, I ate chocolate cake. Then I ate a chocolate cupcake. No wasting your food. Eat your chocolate cake now, the old man said. Ruansh picked up a spoon and, okay, I don't want so much chocolate cake. Okay, I'll eat it. I'm very hungry. And he ate up the chocolate cake. He was not too happy now because from the morning he was eating only chocolate. Then he went off to sleep. At night when he slept, he had a lovely dream. He dreamed that he was eating a sandwich. He dreamed that he was eating sausages. He dreamed that he was drinking white milk. And the night passed. In the morning, he woke up. Oh, I'm hungry. I want to eat something nice. Old man, uncle, can I have breakfast? The old man said, go brush your teeth and come. I've made yummy breakfast for you. Ranch was very excited. He said, yummy breakfast. Maybe there's butter toast and maybe there's andu eggs and maybe there's some tomatoes also and wow, I can't wait. I can't wait. And what if there's khakra also to eat? I'd love to eat some khakra also now. So the old man came and Ruanch was sitting at the table and he was like, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. What is for breakfast? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. The old man came walking slowly. Here, I baked a nice chocolate cake for you. No, I don't want chocolate cake again. No, no, no. The old man said, this is for breakfast and I will put chocolate sauce on top of it. I want bread butter, please. I want eggs. I don't want chocolate cake, please. But the old man said, you are in chocolate cake town and you are in the chocolate town. You have to eat only chocolate cake every day. And you told us you want to eat chocolate for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. Yeah, chocolate cake for breakfast. Ruan said, I will not eat. And he didn't eat breakfast at all. And he just went out to play. But his tummy was very hungry. How could he play if he had not eaten breakfast? You must eat breakfast, no? So he went to play. And when he played, his tummy was like, oh, hungry, hungry, Ruan, give me food. I'm hungry, Ruan, give me food. But Ruanch knew that if he goes back to the old man, again there'll be chocolate cake. So he told his friends, hi, everybody. Do you have something to eat? I'm very hungry. All his friends were very kind. They were very sweet. They said, oh, Ruanch, you're hungry? Come, come, come. We'll go to the shop over here, okay? And we'll buy something and eat. Come. Ruanch was very happy. He thought, good, I'll get breakfast to eat. So all the children ran together and they went to the shop. And then they looked up and they said, Uncle, uncle, our friend no Ruanch is hungry. Can you give him something to eat, please? The shopkeeper came and said, oh yes, of course I can give him. Ruanch, would you like a chocolate cake? Chocolate cake, again. Okay, okay. Would you like a chocolate cupcake? No. Would you like a chocolate tart? No. Would you like a chocolate pancake? No. What would you like? I have everything in chocolate. Ruan said, no chocolate now. I don't want anything chocolate. I feel like if I eat more chocolate, but I'm very hungry. The man said, oh, how about I give you a sandwich? Ruanch was very happy. Ah, no more chocolate. No more chocolate cake. I'll get sandwich to eat. He sat at the table and he was waiting. Sandwich, 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 yummy, yummy, sandwich, sandwich, yummy, 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 sandwich coming. The shopkeeper came with a plate and he put a nice grilled sandwich in front of him. Ruanch looked at it and said, what is this sandwich? Why is it brown in color? And the shopkeeper said, this is chocolate sandwich. I don't want chocolate again. Even your sandwich is chocolate. Chee, I don't want to eat any more chocolate. Please stop, stop. And Ruan started running away. And what did he see? The shopkeeper is running behind with a chocolate sandwich. His friends are running behind him with a chocolate cupcake. The old man is walking slowly behind with a big chocolate cake. And Ruanch is saying, no chocolate, no chocolate, no chocolate. And he's running as fast as he can. And he ran and ran and ran till he came to his house. And he saw his door. And he said, yay, that's my door, my house. Ah, and he knocked on the door. Open, open, quickly, open the door, quickly, quickly, quickly. Chocolate is chasing me. I don't want chocolate anymore. And he knocked at the door. His sister Myra opened the door and said, Hey, Ruansh, where have you been? You've not been home all day. It's okay. Shut the door. Shut the door. I'm hungry. I want to eat something. Please give me something. I'm very hungry. Mama came out of the kitchen and said, Ruansh, where have you been, my darling? We've been looking for you everywhere. Did you get lost? Mama, I'll tell you later. But I'm very hungry right now. So Mama said, Ruansh, I really missed you. Yesterday, uncle and auntie had come home and I opened the fridge and I saw that the cake was not there. And then I thought maybe you got scared and so you hid. We made some other sweet and we gave them. But Ruansh, baby, I missed you so much. I'm so happy you're back home. Come here, give Mama a hug. Mama hugged Ruansh and she kissed him. Where did you go, my bacha? Come, sit. I'll give you something to eat. You're hungry, no? So Ruansh said, yeah, Mama, I'm very hungry. I'm so hungry. I want to eat something. Mama said, Ruansh, because you were feeling so hungry and so sad, I made you your favorite chocolate cake. Will you eat it? Ruansh looked at Mama and said, Mama, no chocolate cake now. I don't want to eat. Give me something else. I'll eat my vegetables. I'll eat my sandwiches. I'll eat my porridge. I'll eat my paratha. I'll eat my khakra. I'll eat my dhokla. I'll eat everything. No more chocolate cake for me. Mama said, why? I'm not going to be greedy for chocolate cake. I'm going to eat everything and I'm going to try to eat everything and I will eat little of everything. So Mama, if you make mango cake, I'll eat. If you give me salad also, I'll eat. If you give me paratha and dahi, I will eat. Then one day you make chocolate cake. I'm not going to be greedy for chocolate cake anymore, Mama. I promise you. And that's how little Ruansh learned that if you eat too much of anything just because you like it, you'll get bored. You must try new food. You must try new things to eat every time. Mama makes new things for you every day, right? To eat. She makes healthy food. So you must not say, no, I don't like this. I'll not eat this. But what should you do? You must say, wow, Mama, what is this? New food? I want to taste it. I want to try it. And you must try all the new things. Soups, pasta, noodles, paratha, roti sabji, chapati bhaji. And if you eat non-veg, you should try chicken, fish, mutton, everything, eggs. You should try to eat everything and all the fruits. Only then you will become... What? Yes, only then you will become big and healthy and strong.
I think a similar story was on Katha Mehfil.
Was it there?
Yeah.
Have you heard it? The little ones have not. So I just changed the story a little bit for them so they'll understand it the way they like to hear it. Yeah, Kabir? Did Rehan enjoy the story, Kabir?
Yeah, but maybe 1 minute ago when the story ended, he went.
Yes, he's little, isn't it? So the moment the story finishes, he goes away. But I think he's doing very well. He's very chotu and he sits for a long time. That's wonderful. Did you all like the story?
Yes.
How much?
Did you like?
You love.
How much you loved it? Loved it.
Did you?
Yes.
Like the story?
And what about Ruansh? What did he like to eat? Chocolate cake and chocolate cake and chocolate cake. And then he got so bored of chocolate cake that he ran away. And so he also started eating everything. Just like all of you. I know that all of you eat everything, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's why all of you show me your muscles. Yeah. Look at Sahir's muscles. Wow. Look at Yashvi. Ishan, show me your mutton muscles. Show me your mutton muscles. Wow.
Strong as a
Wow.
Long.
Look at Prashasti. She's got egg muscles. Muscles because of eggs.
Superman.
And even money. Wow. Yes, Kabir, you can take your computer, Raja. You can log off.
Okay.
So, you have to promise me. You have to promise me that you will eat everything that Mama gives you and not turn your face and say, no. Right? Yeah, you will try to eat everything. And next time when you meet me, you tell me, Vaishali aunty, I tried something new. Mamas and daddies, tell me something new that your child tries, okay? Next time when they come to class. Okay. So I'll see you. I'll see you on
Friday.
Friday.
hugs.
Hug, big hug, teacher.
Anaita, I'm going to come and I'm going to hug you and I'm going to tickle that tummy. Hug. And kiss.
Yes.
Kiss karo.
Nice to everybody.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
What?